Full auto machine V-fold facial tissue line with lamination. Each part is controlled by independent motor or independent servo, stable performance, easy to operate. L-ported linear bearings are adopted for all stacked sliding seats, and double-axis structure is adopted to ensure the stability of each stacked. Using servo control claw, realize automatic separate, precise hit out the paper. Setting sheet number on touch screen directly, even number, it can be adjusted 100% accurately. High resolution servo operaton, 100% accurate counting.